Hey guys, it's Saturday the 21st of October, and I have two crazy cats on my hand right now. They're running around. Mike took Odio for a walk, and I am roasting, well, not technically roasting, I'm making chicken for supper tonight, and I'm doing it in the slow cooker. I didn't record when I started, but I'll show you guys what I did. Here is the chicken. So what I did was I cleaned it out, I patted it dry. The bottom side of it, I made a mixture of seasoning, as you can see here. And then I flipped it out, there's onions underneath it. And then I flipped it over and seasoned it on this side. So now I gotta let it cook for about 5 hours because it's a bigger chicken. So the seasonings that I used were salt, pepper, garlic powder, summer savory, paprika, and onion salt. And then there's onions underneath the chicken as well. And then with the rest of it, we're going to have potatoes and gravy, stuffing, carrots, and some leftover squash that I have that I'm going to boil up. So that's going to be supper tonight. I'm going to have a granola bar, I think. I'm not sure. These have been here for a while, but they're still good. I don't know. I don't know if I want one or not. Mike ate all the dips ones and left all the Nature Valley ones for me. Not that that's a problem, because I don't mind the Nature Valley. I just don't know what I'm in the mood for. I might make a pumpkin bread today too. I'm not sure. We'll see how the day goes. See where the day takes us. Anyway, I'm going to go and sit down and enjoy my tea right now. And I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Oh, guys, I'm having a nice relaxing Saturday. It's yucky outside today. I know you guys see me on this couch a lot. This is my favorite spot. I sit on the spot where it's like the ottoman part of the couch. And I just put my feet up and relax. So I have one of those Fire Sticks that's programmed with the programming on it. We don't have cable. I love the Fire Stick. I recommend to anybody who's thinking about one, go for it, because you get more channels than cable. And it's fantastic. Now, yes, it does lag and skip at times, but for what I pay monthly for it, I don't care. It's worth it. I only pay, I think it's $17.25 a month for it. And I have, like, everything. So, yeah, I love it. So, I've been watching the Hallmark Channel all day, because the countdown to Christmas started last night. So, you know, my TV's going to live on the Hallmark Channel now. So let's have a little look-see at. Oh, it smells good. Can you hear that sizzle? I didn't add any water or anything because it's supposed to make its own juice. So I can't remember what time I put it in, but it's definitely not ready yet. For about 5 hours. And you know what I'm going to grab? I have some leftover squash, and I cut it up and I froze it. So I'm going to try to find where I put that. There it is. So we're going to make that for supper. So I'm going to take it out and let it thaw out. It doesn't really matter though, because I'm going to boil it. I'm going to boil that with carrots and mash it. And then I'm going to make potatoes. And I might make some stovetop. I'm not sure yet. And then I think we'll have leftovers for tomorrow. So that works. Mike is a very simple person when it comes to like his meals. He likes simplicity. Like, he likes shepherd's pie, he likes chickens, he likes pork chops, steak, just simple. No, but I like to experiment with recipes, and have got him to try some stuff, so that's good, because normally he wouldn't try new stuff. But I think I have to get moving on some Christmas exchange presents today. I gotta wrap them and get them ready. I need boxes though. I cannot find boxes. I usually have a bunch, but I haven't been ordering a bunch of stuff this year, so I don't have a bunch of boxes. So I need to see if I can find some. Maybe I might have to make a trip to the Dollarama, but I definitely got to do that today. I got to get going on that. So, yeah. Anyway, I will talk to you guys when something more exciting is happening, because I'm just lazy today. I'll just keep it real. I'm lazy today. Hey guys, so I forgot to show our supper from yesterday. It's now Sunday and I'm prepping supper for tonight. So I'm trying a new recipe. And what you need, I'm improvising a little bit, but some chicken, which I have some left over from last night. You need cream of chicken soup, and you need, well, it says peas and carrots or peas or whatever you would like, but I'm putting corn in. And you need 2 cups of noodles boiled, which I'm doing here. So I'm going to show you guys. All right. Yeah, Mike strained the noodles, so we're just going to dump it right in with this. All right. I'm going to do my mixture up in the bowl before I put it in a dish. All right.
Need a mix.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll add the corn while you're mixing.
Yeah.
The green would make it a prettier color if we had peas, but it doesn't matter about color, it matters about taste. Okay, and I'm going to dump in this. And maybe put a little tiny bit of water in that to get the rest of it, or you can scrape it out with the spoon. Mike's helping me. I'm giving him the instructions and he's helping. I'll put this in the garbage in a minute. I don't think we're really going to need the extra sauce. I think that's going to be enough once you start mixing it around. Give it a good mix. Fold it in too if you have to. Yeah. All right. He's going to do that and then we'll get it ready. Alright, so Mike has put it all in a bread pan for me. I'm going to use this to cook it because it's not like a crazy amount. I'm going to cover this over and put it in the fridge until it's ready to cook because it's only 20 to 12, like noontime. So it's too early to cook supper, so. Okay guys, I'm trying another recipe today and all you need is, I hope it's pure pumpkin that I need it, not pumpkin puree. And this is a spiced cake mix. And that's all you need other than your mixing stuff and your cookie sheet. Not a cookie sheet, a loaf pan. I'm sorry. The can of pumpkin that I bought is way too big. So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time till I get it to the right consistency. And I'm going to mix it up with my spatula. Fold that extra powdery stuff in. I might have to add more, but we'll just do a little bit at a time. Wonder if it'd be easier if we got the blender and beat it. Oh no, you're doing okay. It just takes a little bit of time. Do you think I'm going to need more pumpkin in there? It's supposed to be like a battery consistency. And some of that's powdery. No, it might work like that. Yeah, you just need a little bit of elbow grease, but you are getting it. Okay, I'm going to grease the pan. I got my kitchen helper today. Alright, Mike's going to pour this dough. This is what your consistency should look like into that pan. It's already greased.
Did you spray here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I sprayed the sides and the bottom. I can see it right from this phone. Take it where you're... Oh, can you ever smell the pumpkin and the spices? Now, if you have nuts or chocolate chips or anything like that, you could sprinkle them in and mix it in with the mixture. I don't have any of those right now. So, or sometimes people like to put pecans on the top. I don't have any nuts right now. My apologies. So it's just going to be just pumpkin bread. And I don't even know if we're going to like it, but we're going to give it a try. I'm not the biggest pumpkin fan ever, but like for eating, I don't mind it, but
Let it there for a minute.
that dough is a little bit thick. You're probably going to have to smooth it out with the spatula.
Yeah, but I want to clean one out first. The old say of want waste not, want none. Whatever.
Yeah. You got it right. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees.
That's good enough there. Mush it down.
Yeah, you're going to have to like, yeah, kind of fill it out in the pan a little bit. The best that you can anyway. There. Alright, so like I said, I have this oven set for 350 degrees. I'm just waiting for that to go off. And I believe you cook it for 45 to 50 minutes. I'm going to have to check that, but I will let you guys know for sure. Okay, guys. There's the pumpkin loaf. It kind of split a little bit there. I don't know what happened there. I had to cook it for an extra 10 minutes than what it said to cook it for, because when I put the toothpick in, it didn't come out clean. So we will see. We will see. I put the toothpick in and it came out clean. It's just a little spongy. It's the pumpkin. What?
Is it supposed to feel like that?
No. It's the yeah, because it's the pumpkin.
Okay.
Don't cut me off too big of a piece. I don't want too big. I'm just trying it. I never tasted it before.
Neither did I.
The toothpick came out clean when I did the toothpick test, so it's cooked the way it's supposed to be. Maybe I added too much pumpkin. I don't know. And plus, it's still warm.
Oh. Your other
so
piece
here's
is here on the bottom.
What it looks like. Either that or you didn't mix it good enough. No, I think it's mixed.
It was mixed.
All right, we'll give it. I can smell the spices. I'll give it a try.
We're eating it before, and it's not bad.
Okay, Mike says it's not bad, so I'm going to give it a test.
Might have to wait till it really cools down.
Yeah. You'd have to like pumpkin to like it. But it's good. It's different. It's something different. I'd make it again. So, that's that. So, the pumpkin cake was really good. It tastes like it really tastes good. But I think I needed to cook it a little bit longer. One recipe that I seen said 30 minutes, one said 50 minutes. So everybody's oven's different, so I put it on for 35 minutes. I think next time I'm going to go with the 50-minute one. It's still good. It's cooked, but it's just a little, like I guess a little tiny bit doughy. Not too bad, but it is what it is now. It's done. It's taken out. So next time I'll go with the 50-minute one. But it's really tasty. I'll give it that. It would taste really good with like a vanilla icing drizzle over the top of it. So next time I'll try it that way. You got to learn from your mistakes, right? So. Okay, guys. I'm going to put my casserole in now. Well, when the oven heats. You got to put it on 375. And it has to go in for 30 minutes. So I'm going to sprinkle some seasoning on it and take it out and let it kind of heat up to room temperature. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. If you see the noodles are different colors, it's because we use two different kinds of noodles. My noodles are all mixed together. So, all right, we're going to take some pink Himalayan salt. Oh. And we're just going to sprinkle some of this on. Not too much, but a little bit. I am going to use some garlic powder. I don't know why that chunked up like that on me. There we go. Okay, we like garlic, so if I go a little overboard with the garlic, it's fine. Because both of us like garlic. I'm going to use some pepper, but not too much. I can put my own pepper on later. But Mike is not a big pepper person, so I'll do that. And I would put some paprika on, but I don't know if he'd like that, so we'll leave. I can put a little bit on. Hold on a second. Okay, a little bit of paprika, and the last thing I'm going to put on is some breadcrumbs on the top. We're going to wait for this to heat up to the 375, and then we're going to pop it in the oven for 30 minutes. I'm telling you guys all this because I have to charge my phone. Alright guys, that's what it looks like. I'm just going to throw this tin foil back over the top for now. Okay, here's what my casserole looks like scooped out. I put more pepper on, of course. I'm going to eat it, and I will let you know when I'm done eating. I think I have one moderation that I want to make to it, and I'll let you know after I'm done eating. Okay, guys, so supper was really good. I would change two things just to kind of tweak the recipe a little bit. I'd put my spices in while I was doing up the mixture. I forgot. I don't know what made me forget to do that, but instead of sprinkling them on the top, sprinkle them in the mixture before you put it in the casserole dish. And I don't know if Mike would agree with this one or not, but I think a little bit of cheese in there, like just like white cheese, mozzarella cheese, would be good, in my opinion. I could always do it with my half and not do it with Mike's. But Mike, and he's enjoying it, so. And there's enough left for tomorrow for leftovers for us, so that's good. We'll just pop it in the microwave. I don't have to cook tomorrow. It works for me. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog now because I've been vlogging all day. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I hope you guys have a great week this week, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, everyone.